everyone, this is Shruti Kanu and welcome back to my channel Shrutiverse. I hope you all are doing good. So आज की वीडियो होने वाली है सेकेंड सेमेस्टर एट IIT बॉम्बे MSc बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. सो सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के मिड सेम एग्जामिनेशंस ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं एंड हमारे सब्जेक्ट्स मिड सेम तक लाइक हाफ सेमेस्टर कोर्सेज थे इस बार मिड सेम के लिए मोस्टली. सबसे पहला था एनालिटिकल बायोकेमिस्ट्री, सेकंड वाज बायोमोलिकुलर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, थर्ड वाज जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग, फोर्थ वाज माइक्रोबायोलॉजी एंड फिफ्थ वाज जीनोमिक्स एंड प्रोटियोमिक्स. सो एनालिटिकल बायोकेमिस्ट्री हमें फले सर पढ़ा रहे थे, बायोमोलिकुलर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी आशुतोष सर पढ़ा रहे थे एंड जीनोमिक्स एंड प्रोटियोमिक्स के लिए दो प्रोफेसर असाइन थे. जीनोमिक्स कोंडा बगिल सर पढ़ा रहे थे एंड प्रोटियोमिक्स संजीवा सर पढ़ा रहे थे. And microbiology was taught by Rajesh Patkar sir and genetic engineering by Anirban sir. So सबके नाम मैं ऑलरेडी आपको स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूंगी. एंड आप IIT बॉम्बे BSB की वेबसाइट में जाके इन सारे प्रोफेसर का रिसर्च वर्क और पब्लिकेशन सब कुछ देख सकते हैं. BSB IIT बॉम्बे अगर आप सर्च करिएगा तो आपको ईजिली दिख जाएगा. ये सारे जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स थे ये हाफ सेमेस्टर कोर्सेज थे, मतलब इसका क्रेडिट हाफ रहता है. विल गेट टू नो अगर आपका भी सेम सिस्टम है तो. सो इससे क्या होता है ना कि मिड सेमेस्टर्स होने के बाद ही हमें सारी ग्रेड्स मिल जाते हैं इन पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. एंड आफ्टर दैट इस जो सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द सेमेस्टर है उसके लिए है आई लैब विच इज़ इंटीग्रेटेड लैब. क्योंकि हमारा सेमेस्टर 1 में कोई लैब नहीं था एंड सेमेस्टर 2 के फर्स्ट हाफ में भी कोई लैब नहीं था, हमको तैयार किया जा रहा था विथ थियोरिटिकल नॉलेज ताकि हम लैब में जाके काम कर सकें विथ ऑल दोज रिक्वायर्ड नॉलेज फॉर द टेक्निक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. हमको उसके लिए रेडी किया जा रहा था. सो अब आई लैब इज सच दैट कि यहाँ पे 4 प्रोफेसर्स और सुपरवाइजर्स असाइंड है. राजेश पाटकर सर, सुशील कुमार सर, स्वप्निल सिंधे सर एंड स्वाति पाटनकर मैम. सो ये चारे जो हमारे प्रोफेसर्स है ये हमको थ्रू आउट दी आई लैब गाइड करने वाले हैं एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने वाले हैं. आई लैब इज़ लाइक कि हमें एक प्रॉब्लम दी जाएगी एंड उसका हमको सोल्यूशन ढूंढना पड़ेगा बाय फॉलोइंग ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटेशनल एंड मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी और all sorts of wet lab techniques. In this wet lab, we are taught from scratch because all the people here are from different genres in their bachelors. So no need to worry अगर आप किसी और डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस से है एंड आपको उतनी नॉलेज नहीं है, आपको उतनी प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ सिखाया जाएगा. एंड अगर आप IIT JAM 2027 के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो भी नो नीड टू वरी, सब चीज़ आपको सिखाया गया जाएगा. अगर आप ऐसे कॉलेज से हैं जहाँ पे आपको उतनी प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं भी मिलती है, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. एंड इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर IIT JAM 2027, फिजिक्स वाला IIT JAM 2025 स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत ही बेहतरीन रिजल्ट शो करे हैं. AIR 1 इन फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स एंड AIR 2 इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. एंड अभी फिजिक्स वाला मना रहा है अपना 5th विश्वास दिवस, जहां आपको मिल रहे हैं स्पेशल ऑफर्स एंड बिगेस्ट डिस्काउंट्स. बट ये विश्वास दिवस जल्दी ही खत्म होने वाला है, सो जल्दी से जाइए, इनरोल करिए साकार बैचेस में. साकार 2.2 2027 अवेलेबल फॉर केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी just ₹4699. The features of the batch are live and recorded classes, DPPs and notes, 2500 plus practice questions with detailed solution. Sagar 2027 available for chemistry, physics, mathematics and biotechnology at just ₹4999. The features of the batch are live and recorded classes, DPPs in quiz format, doubt solution series. And Sagar Pro 2027 available for chemistry, physics, mathematics and biotechnology at just ₹6999. The features of the batch are hard copy of IIT JAM PYQ books, 5000 plus DPPs with detailed solution, 30 plus practice test and 10 full length mock test, exclusive Khazana access with 500 plus video lectures. So start your early IIT JAM preparation with physics wala batches and use my code STU300. हमें उन्होंने एक DNA sequence दिया था and there were few questions which the faculties asked us. Number 1, is this sequence representing a gene, and is this sequence is producing a functional protein? If yes, what sort of a protein? Structural protein है, membranal protein है, enzyme है, what is that product we are getting out of the gene? उसके बाद they asked what is the function of the protein, and this whatever sequence was given to us was extracted from a clinical sample and most probably was a respiratory disease जिसका हमने सैम्पल लिया था, लाइक रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म माइक्रोब का हमने सैम्पल लिया था. So they told us to analyze all that, and according to the sequence we proceeded. First we did the computational analysis, that is with the DNA sequence we did BLAST, both BLAST N and BLAST X to know what kind of a protein is this, what are the similarities with other proteins, is it already an established protein, because no other information other than the gene sequence was given to us. We also did not know ki whether it's a gene sequence pehle se. They only gave us the sequence and told us to find all those details. So in this first week of iLab, what we did was, first day we did the computational analysis, and we got to know this is protein X. I'm not naming it here. So this is protein X and it has a function related to cell division, and the professors or the faculties also asked us to find a solution to this disease causing microbe. So we got to know that we need to develop a drug or a antibiotic. We need to just find an antibiotic which can just resist this protein, as this protein was involved in cell division. I'm not giving you the uttermost detail. So उसके बाद we proceeded with the molecular biology or the wet lab techniques, because of course computational analysis itself is not sufficient for a full proof that yes, this is the protein. Okay, so we need to do the wet lab techniques as well. So next day onwards we proceeded with the wet lab techniques, and since all of us are from different genre in their bachelor, so they started teaching us from scratch. So first they gave an brief about all the instruments used in the lab, like pH meter, autoclave, incubator, laminar airflow, all the basic instruments used in the lab, and then we proceeded with the wet lab techniques. In this 1 week of iLab, we got to know how to write the journals, which is the lab file, while we do our research. So everything should be included. For the most important thing is the date and the page number, which is very important. Otherwise we would not be able to keep track of all this. And also we are told to write the journals every day in the lab itself. And to tell you, the lab starts at 9:15 till 6 p.m. We have a lunch break from 1 to 2 p.m. but still we get home by 7 or 7:30, because every day we take 1 hour extra, because all of us are in learning phase. We tend to make mistakes, so it is taking a lot of time. So it's like just hustling from 9 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and then coming back, having dinner, and then straight away going to sleep. If we have some work to do, like at most I'm able to be awake till 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. Other than that, I am like literally dead after that. In this week, we are basically trying to clone the gene of interest along with the expression vector, and everything was taught on scratch. Like personally, I don't know how to do a PCR. So in this 1 week, I got to know how to do the PCR, what is cloning and how to do it. Every process were explained in uttermost detail. And we are told to record all of the things we are doing in the lab along with the mistakes we are making, or if we are improvising something, we are writing that, because with using any of the instrument, there is a protocol mentioned of that particular company of which we are using the enzymes and the templates or the primers. So along with the protocol, if there is something different, we are recording in the lab notebook. So the supervisors are telling us to record it as we are doing research. So they are just teaching us how to record our research as well, what are the things which are important and everything. So that's all for 1 week of iLab. And if you're interested and if you want to know the whole iLab experience, do comment down below. And if you have any other doubts, you can DM in Telegram or Instagram. And as you know, my Instagram page is also live, so you can follow that as well. I'll tag it here, and you can comment down as well. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.